GM and welcome to a new video. This is day 2 of the abstract games. Also, we have the experience points update, which I got almost 6k experience points this week. Mainly probably because I got the Giga Juicy badge, so I played a little bit of Giga, and also I joined the abstract games, and I think this will give a lot of experience points. Speaking of the Giga Juicy badge, it's still available. As for the last flash badges as well, they are available longer than originally communicated. So in case you did not get it, make sure to check out this video where I explain in detail how to get this flash badge. Also, let me know how you're positioned in yesterday's game. If you don't know how to set up an account on RektTech, if you got the ticket, then make sure to check out yesterday's video. As you can see, my rank is not that good. I'm in the top 3k. I didn't play too much. I only had around 1.4k in the end. So I didn't place too well. Also, I got rucked a few times instantly. So I was above 2k and then lost too much. But at least I'm in the top half at least. And now the second game is Average Minds. And this is explained very fast. And you do not have to do a lot. You need to get a score, but you only see the score after the timer is up. We again have a couple of hours left. You just click on play now, and then here, if we click on how to play, you can see that the game is called Average Minds. Submit a number between 1 and 1k you believe will be equal to or below the average of all submissions. When the game ends, the average of all submitted numbers will be calculated. If your number is equal to or below the average, you earn points equal to your submission. If your number is above the average, you earn 0 points. Not submitting a number results in 0 points and exclusion from the average calculation. Example, you choose 500. The average is 600, you get 500 points. That's already it. You can place your value here. It's just an estimation game. So for example, if you think most of the people go between 500 and 1k, you can play it safe and go towards, let's say, anything below 500 is probably fine. And then you just hit save. And once it shows saved, then you're good to go. That's already it. There's not much else to do. You can exit the game and wait until the timer is up and the third game is starting. So not too bad, not much work to do, but make sure to do this within the time frame. Apart from that, make sure to check out the last Monet video that I did. This is already part 5 of the Monet series, where I go through different dApps and platforms on the Monet testnet to qualify for the airdrop. So make sure to check that one out. Check out the other videos on my channel, and then thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow for day 3 of the abstract games.